Hey guys, welcome to Coffee Curves. In today's video, I will be doing a very quick and really easy canopy idea which will be ready in no time, using items you definitely have at home. Recently, I had also made another video on how to make a canopy in 3 different ways along with the boho style makeover, and I got a lot of great comments and appreciation for that. If you haven't already seen that video, please make sure to check it out. I will leave a link in the description box below. And now without any further ado, let's start today's video. So I'm going to show you 2 different methods, and for the first one all you have to do is take 2 sheer curtains or net curtains which already has a loop stitched through it and pass a cotton thread through it with the help of a safety pin. Then pass a hair tie through this and tie the threads together. If the curtain that you're using does not have a loop stitched around it and you're using the ones with the rings, or if you're using a simple plain fabric to make your canopy, then in that case, simply use a hair tie and tie it around the fabric. Pass a thread through it and use this to hang the canopy. To make your canopy, you can use curtains, saris, or even any fabric that you have on hand. Now you can hang this canopy to an existing nail or use command hooks to hang it. Alternatively, you could also easily hang this on an existing curtain rod. I'm just going to go ahead and fix a hook into the wall. Now easily hang this canopy onto the hook. Now lay out a mattress or a bunch of quilts to make your seating. Tuck in the curtains below the seating. Next step, I will be adding in some balloons to the sides of the canopy. Use a sellotape and fold it backwards onto the smooth side as shown. Stick these to the bottom of the balloon and stick the balloons to the floor. Finally, place in some decorative cushions and add in some lights. If you're interested in any of the DIYs shown in this video, be sure to check that video. I will link it in the description box below. Cover a box with wrapping paper and add in some decorative pieces of your choice. And that's it, our canopy is ready. So guys, that's it for today's video. Wasn't that such an easy and quick way to make your own DIY canopy? Hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please make sure to hit that like button and leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Coffee Curves. Inspired from this video, if you do make your own canopy, please share pictures with me on Instagram. Also, do check out my other canopy video. You will find some useful ideas out there too. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.